In one of the other tutorials, I have shown you how you can convert files from PDF to other documents and vice versa. Now there is also the possibility that you receive an image or a PDF file containing an image and you want to reconstruct the text that is in it. But this text is saved as an image file. And you have to recognize the text again so it is readable again for a program just like the PDF director or like Word or something else. And this technology is called OCR, Text Recognition, and is also contained in the PDF director. And I want to show you now how you can work with it. As I've shown you before, we open Convert. And then let's assume that we have a document as picture file and we want to make the content of this picture readable. So we choose Images and now we add the image that we want to convert. In this case, we are using the first page of the New York City Wikipedia entry. It is saved as PNG file, not as PDF. Now when we click on Create right now, there would be a PDF file, but there would be no recognizable text in it. And for this task, we click here, Perform OCR on Images. Now we click on Continue, and now we can choose the options for the best possible result. In this case, we click on English as language, because this picture contains only English text. And now we have to choose the OCR algorithm. Please refer to the manual that has been contained with the version you have obtained from us. There is every single setting that can be made right here described. Right now, I will keep it with the default settings. So I choose the OCR algorithm neural net based, and I choose the layout mode automatic. Now here you can choose if all recognized text boxes should be combined together. We choose not to do so. They should be separately, so they can be edited separately as well. The more precise character positioning is the best choice for a layout that is authentic, so it is barely unchanged when we compare it with the original file, just as like the more precise line positioning. And then you can choose if you want to keep the images or not. Keep the images means that the image that is the original file will be contained in the conversion result or not. In this case, we don't want to keep the image. So now we click on Create. And now the next important step is that you save this file directly as PDF file so it is recognizable again. Click here, File, Save As, PDF. In this case, we choose to call it unnamed. And now, as you can see, the content of the scanned file is recognizable and can be edited.